Hey everyone, welcome back to Truehost Academy. Today we're diving into a quick and easy tutorial on how to change the logo on your WordPress website. Let's get started. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. You can do this by going to yourdomain.com/wp-admin and entering your credentials. Once you're in the dashboard, navigate to Appearance on the left-hand menu and click on Customize. This will open the WordPress Customizer. In the Customizer, look for the section labeled Site Identity or Header. The exact name may vary depending on your theme. Here you'll see the current logo. Click on Select Logo or Change Logo. This will open your media library. Choose an existing logo or upload a new one by clicking Upload Files. Make sure your logo is optimized for web use, ideally in PNG or JPEG format. After selecting your logo, you may be prompted to crop it. Adjust the cropping box as needed and click Crop Image. Once your new logo appears, review any additional settings like the site title and tagline. When you're happy with the changes, hit the Publish button at the top, and that's it. You've successfully changed your logo in WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Have any questions? Drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching.